There's our first victim. Qué bien.
Hi, I'm Max. I'm German, and I'm friend of Brad the Rat.
Not really. Then we have traffic. What is up? Welcome back to another video. Today we are in Gran Via in Madrid, which is super cool. This is such a dope place to take pictures. So in love, today we're going to be using the Canon R50 with the 50mm f1.8. It is like so busy here. Have a look. She wants a picture too. And yeah, so I hope you guys are all doing well. Okay guys, I feel like we have found our first victim. Hola, perdón. Estoy grabando un video, fotos de gente desconocida cuando me gusta su look y mola mucho tu estilo. Si quieres una foto.
Vale, pero ¿cómo
Sí,
es?
para YouTube, mira.
Pero, ¿qué tengo que hacer?
Te digo, cómo posar aquí en la calle.
¿Cuánto tiempo va a tardar?
2 minutos, no más.
Vale.
Te las mando, te las mando. ¿De dónde eres?
De Argentina, bueno, vivo en Torrevieja, Alicante, pero...
Oh, ok,
soy
solo
de
aquí,
Argentina.
vacaciones.
Sí.
Ok, vale. Empezamos aquí. La primera, solo acabamos de empezar. Y una pierna así más. Yes, una más, así. Es cuando los coches... Yes, burn perfect. Y una más así. One more like this. Sí. Una más, una más. Esas también, ¿no?
Sí.
Guay, guay, guay. Una más así, full.
Bueno, muchas gracias.
Ok, de nada. Hasta luego. Chao.
I'm so done with. Oh,
Maybe we'll go here in like 5 She's gone, guys. It's so hard to like get here. One sec. Hola, perdón. Hola, perdón. Estoy grabando un video. Saco fotos de gente desconocida. Mola mucho tu estilo. Quería sacar una foto.
vale.
¿Sí? ¿Sí? Ok, boom. ¿De dónde eres?
Brasil.
Brasil. Ok, guay. Si quieres lo hacemos aquí en la calle, donde no hay mucha gente. Está como crazy, ¿no?
Sí.
Está crazy.
Vale,
She's
con
como-
las gafas.
Sí, con las gafas. Are you just here for a holiday? Ah, ¿hablas inglés también?
Yeah.
So now perfect. When it goes red, I'll get you to like pose here just where the traffic
I
is.
have no idea how to
Oh,
pose.
perfect. I'll tell you. Where are you from, São Paulo?
São Paulo, yeah.
Okay, nice. Let's get some in here. You look good. I'm feeling the style. Okay, just in here by the traffic. So yes, just stand in here. And even just like this with the bag first. Yes, awesome. Love it. Amazing. Looking up here slightly. One more. And let's just do one here by the bus so we don't get hit. Okay, maybe let's try. Yeah, that's cool. Let's get one too. Yes, can we just take out the AirPods? The AirPods, yeah. How long have you lived here for in Madrid? Oh, nice. I'm from New Zealand, but I've lived in Barcelona for 5 years too. Yeah. Okay, dope. Yes, can you do this one again? Like one hand in here? Perfect. Boom, yes, girl, bring this one, like come a little closer. Yes, awesome. Walking. Yes, damn, that's hot. Let's do a few more ones here. Okay, yes, like walking across here and like swinging the bag even so, just like this. And looking at me, yes, perfect. Damn, yes, perfect. And one more. One more just in here. And now walking towards me, one more this way. Awesome, just stay here. Oh, I love that.
I love them.
That looks amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, do you want to hold the mic? You can like...
Yeah.
I feel like when these are edited, they're gonna be like next level.
Fire.
Yes. Fire. And these ones too, look at this. Awesome. What's your name?
Emily.
Emily, nice to meet you, Brad.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, have a good journey in Madrid, like living here. Yes.
With. I'm so done with.
¿Quieres una también? ¿Quieres una también? Estamos grabando un video, sacando fotos a gente desconocida en la calle. Como ustedes. Si quieres una. Yes. Okay, mientras que está rojo, where are you from here? Madrid? Okay, boom, la primera de Madrid. This one just over here. So yes, ponte aquí, cerca del tráfico. Sí. En quizás así con las gafas. Yeah. Y ponte sería así. Ponte la mano aquí. Yes, perfect. Yes, love it. Stay there. And una más así. Let's do one like this. Yes, perfect. And one leg in front, perfect. Mirando por allá. Love it. Stay there. And let's do one more, like glasses down. Yeah. And maybe just one more here without the glasses. Sí. Ah, sin las glasses. Ah, sin las gafas. Sí. Sí. Perfect. And one just like this even. See. We live, guys. We live in the road. We're in the road everywhere we go. Maxi, you're looking good with those chocolate pants. Una más, una más. Mola, mola, aguanta. And una más, si ponte así.
Oh,
Son chulas, ¿no?
sí, me encantan. Oh, me encantan.
Damn, look at this one. That's like brutal. And there are some, these
Oh,
are,
me encantan, me encantan.
those are dope as well. Mira esta.
Son brutales.
Yes. Y estas también, ¿no? En el tráfico.
Son brutales.
Damn, esta.
Buah, me encanta. Me encanta.
Boom.
Muchas gracias.
No, de nada. ¿Qué tal la vida en Madrid?
Muy
¿Bien?
bien,
Yeah.
muy bien. Muy bien, gracias.
Yes, que tengas un buen día
Me ha
y nos
encantado.
vemos.
Vale,
Chao.
gracias.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Carol.
Carol, Brad. Chao.
Sometimes it burns.
Okay, guys, it's your boy Brad filming. So I am looking for somebody with tattoos. Sorry, perdón. I just saw that you had some tattoos. I was actually looking for a stranger with a tattoo. Do you mind if I take your portrait? I have another one. Let's see. And the last one?
Boom.
Now you're gonna ask somebody.
How? Oh my God, now I hate these things.
Would you be able to ask someone?
I don't know. Like,
And then just see if you can take the best picture of him.
like me? No. No, I think you have to do that. To ask somebody.
Okay, so we made a little deal, guys. Max is gonna take, well, he's not gonna take a picture, but he is gonna ask the next person, so I'm gonna leave it up to him to mix it up. So all you try and find someone. But wait, you
I need
to
your
use this.
help.
Use
I
the
need
mic.
your help. Like, just help me. Ayúdame. Ayúdame. Te pido ayuda, por favor.
No hay.
Perdona, chicos. Nos gusta vuestro estilo. Queremos sacaros unas fotos. Os enseñamos el Instagram del fotógrafo. ¿Os gustaría? ¿Sí? Venid. Show them your Instagram. Yeah, but show them your Instagram.
Hola, guys, perdón. Estoy grabando un vídeo. Sacamos fotos de gente desconocida y mola mucho el estilo. Entonces os pregunto si queréis una foto. ¿Sí? Where are you guys from? ¿Dónde eres? ¿Aquí, Madrid? Ok, pues lo hacemos aquí en la calle. Man, os enseño. YouTube.
YouTube.
Os enseño esas y las fotos. Así que van a quedar guay.
Para lo que quiera probar.
Yes, guys.
Pero de aquí en medio.
Yeah.
Nada, a ver qué tal.
But you guys look good. You guys look good.
Thank you.
¿Me mires? ¿Me mires? Ponte serio. Yes, that looks good. Stay there. Nearly died, nearly. Not today, not today. Perfect, yeah, stay there. And looking at your friend, mirando para aquí. Boom, and walking across, yeah.
Yo para las fotos sí.
Oh, mira, even esta en como en motion, me
Ole.
encanta. Oh, one sec.
Later you will send it to us, no?
Yeah, yeah, of
The
course.
photos.
Yes, I'll send them to you guys.
Okay.
Like these, like,
Ole.
check these ones, even in motion looks sick.
Yeah, they look
Oh, look at this one, yeah. Dope.
Ole. That's it.
Y estas también, mira. Okay, I'm feeling like this because I'm feeling like loving the shoes. Can I get you to do something like this? Coming down, yeah. And run. Got it. No. Okay, we're in Barcelona. Yes, okay, down like this. Oh, yes, sick. Stay there. Mirando por allá. One like this. Yeah, stay there. Give me more like this even. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, stay there, stay there. And one de pie. Una. Bien. And yes, just walking, just walking. Look at these ones too, like
Yeah, they
your
look-
phone.
they look
Thank
good.
you.
Your phone too, like.
Door number 7,